Python mock, how to test if super was called. I have the following structure. What I want to do is write a test case which would test that if self.test is true, then the super function was called and class A's method function was called. How I can achieve this? What should I mock? Advanced Q, what about when class A and B are in a separate module, and they have the same name? So instead of class B I would write, class A module 1.A. Does that change the mocking?
As at Martij Pieters points out, testing that super is called is typically a test of an implementation detail, rather than a test of a contract. Nonetheless, testing the specific implementation may still be desirable, or the parent class may have a contract requiring the call to super. To test that super is called, use a mock, as mentioned by at Nielsen. The answer in detail. You'll need to specify the full namespace in the patch. For example, at mock.patchmodule.submodule.a.method. This can be done for any method in A, including _init_, syntax is exactly the same.
To build off of Melina's excellent answer, if you can't patch the method on module A, for example A is in a third-party library, part of a nasty legacy system, dynamically created at runtime, etc., you can still test this functionality by creating another method on class B explicitly for the purpose of testing. Revised class B. Revised test code for class B.
If you want us to look down, please specify.